So I rake the mulch away. I'm gonna put a layer of plastic top on them. Okay, I have this layer of plastic here, so I think it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna put mulch on top of it. Nothing fancy. My overlapping is also correct. This is the first layer of the existing mulch. Okay, I just used one bag of mulch, and it looks absolutely invisible. So the water just gonna run off and down. The water is just gonna run down from here to there. You can pretty much see from the bricks lines that this is a slope. Well, on the side of the house, I also reshaped the slope into a more even, gradual slope where the water can just simply runs off. So I'm going to do the same thing and put the plastic underneath and mulch it on top. Okay, this is what everything looks like. The overlapping is correct, meaning the top layer, the upper layers is on top. Got 20 bags of mulch. I think I'm done with, I think I only use half of them. That's the front, and that's the side. Okay, I just put in another bag. I'm just gonna smooth this out to hide the plastic mulch bags. Then I'm done. Okay, how do you like it? So on the bottom, I gather some rocks and put them on top of the mulch bags. It looks pretty nice, so I could just, you know, step on it because I don't want the mulch to get into the air conditioning device. So around the perimeter of the front and the side, I had it 24 inches of plastic wrap around it. Yeah, I'm really happy about it. Ah, this looks really nice.